You ready? Let's go. All right. This is them taking their little break, little potty break. Look at the depth of that snow. Look at this stuff. Look at the aftermath. Blizzard 2016. It's in the books. With this record snowfall. Good grief. The plow did come down my street. I heard it. It came, it was like early in the morning when it came. It was like, I don't know, 6 o'clock, something like that. But look at that. And between digging the back and the front, I didn't touch this. That's at least 4 feet right there, maybe going down to 3 feet. And right at the cars, that's probably like 3 feet because of the plow. The plow effect. You got the plow effect snow. Plow effect. So, oh well, they've done their little potty thing. And it's going to be time to digging out. Time to dig out. Oh yeah, and when you get a chance, I'm going to put a link on my page. Since you're dug in and you ain't going to no church, tune in to Advice for Life. We have a caller that called in, and so it's a brand new show. So check it out. It's going to be on my page. I'll put it up shortly. Okay. All right, y'all. Peace out.